Okay, now let me show you some basically navigation and icon stuffs. Okay, so you can understand which are the new posts and what's into that particular things. All right, so you can see here it's pretty simple, very easily identify. You can There are some color difference. This is very bright blue color here, announcements, and this is like the normal dull blue. So whatever the icon as well, whatever you will see here, okay, this bright color, this is new post. If you will roll over there, you can see that tooltips, that new post, even on the icon as well. Okay, there is no new post, no new post. All right, if you check it out here, new post, new post, new post, new post, no new post. So you can see this here. Now the thing is that if you just get a, if you go into the particular things like lighting here, or maybe an announcement, sorry, you'll find in that particular category, if you find the post, topics, okay, you will see just only icon. Don't get confused, you won't get any highlighting stuffs on the text link. Okay, here title link, but only you will get highlighted stars, highlighted icon here. So just make sure this is new post. You can just check it out, new post. All right, here no new post, no new post. Okay, so into the category, if you just check it out, the categories, definitely you will get a nice text highlighted stuffs as well. But if you go into the category, okay, so there is no highlighting stuffs for the topic title. Okay, just only for the icon you can see the highlighting stars for the new post. Okay, now go back to the forums. So another thing is that if you just check it out for the subcategories, like here you can see this icon is gray. Here you can see that highlighting stuffs, this blue dot, it means there is one another category inside, like folder into subfolder. Folder, and there is another subfolder into this folder. So if you go here, you'll find a couple of new another folder, and now there is no other categories into this category. Okay, there is directly some forum topics you will find. Okay, there is no forums topics right now, but if you just go here, like shooting tips, you'll find directly topics. Here is, these are the topics. All right, okay, now let's move to the RSS field. This is very nice feature. Okay, so we are just we always think about each and every department, or you can say the section or area. Like, as we all know, everyone has own field. Like, some modelers only like to see more stuffs, or they want to just update for the modeling stuffs. All right, if I'm an animator and I would like to update myself and what's going on in animation more than all the modeling and other stuffs. All right, sometimes people like to get update in all those things, but usually the people like to update in their own field. So that's why we allowed user to just subscribe for the particular interest area, into the particular interest area. Like, if you are an animator and if you want to get update all the time, whatever new topics and something, you can just subscribe for the particular animation and scripting forum. So what you only to do, you can see this tiny RSS feed icon here. So click on that icon and it will drive you another page. So you will find here the applications what your machine supports or your browser supports for the RSS feed. Okay, I prefer Outlook because you'll get everything as the same stuffs. Everything's like mail and RSS feed, everything's in the Outlook itself. So there is no need to go here and there. But you can choose whatever you want, like Opera or any other softwares. Okay, application just depend on you. You can choose anything. Okay, then subscribe. So from that day, from that time, you will always get update from that particular forums. Okay, and now make sure, suppose if you are here pre-production, if you want to subscribe for this feed, this particular category, okay, and if you check it out, okay, you won't able to subscribe because the requested feed is not available. Why? Because this is not actual category. Okay, this pre-productions, there are a couple of small categories. As I told you before, this highlighting dot represent that there is some another subcategories into these categories. Okay, so you have to go into this category and you will find some other category as well. All right, so now here, from here, you can subscribe for the particular, like if you're interested in the story, screenplay and storyboard, you can just feed this, subscribe for this particular thing, and then you can subscribe. Okay, so don't get confused whenever you get that message that the subscribe feed is not available for this sections or forums. Don't get confused, just check it out. There is another subcategories, and then subscribe for that particular categories. All right, okay, if you want to subscribe for the entire forums, so what you all need to do, you have to just check it out in your address bar, browser address bar. You'll find this RSS icon here. Okay, so just click on that. You'll get a couple of options, like you want to subscribe for the all new topics, you want to subscribe for the whole forums, or you want to subscribe for the pixel and grain feed. So this will updates with the entire forums, and this is also with the entire forums, these new topics. Okay, that's it. Sometimes what happens, the people get confused or get irritated while they have to scroll again and again and again and again. Suppose you are just submitting your portfolio, that is the in end, or maybe just forget that, but you are just submitting your post into the gallery section. Okay, just forget about where it is in gallery, but you are just you want to try it and constantly to the gallery section. Now what you have to do, you're logged in and you need to always scroll, and you need to find like ups and down. Okay, sometimes you get irritated or sometimes you get confused. What you can do in that case, you can collapse all this forums. How? You can see this tiny icon here, just click on that, it will collapse that particular category. So you can collapse all what you don't need to see. I want to see just only gallery section. So here we go, we get that everything is collapsed. Okay, and if you want if you want to expand, just click on that again, so it will expand all the stuffs. All right, here also. So this is very nice feature. Okay, you can collapse and expand whenever you want. And another thing is that this is not that like if you just logged out, so it will come the same as it is default. No, just collapse this and this first two categories, and if I logged out,